Good.
Okay. Okay, so the saga of the audio continues. So, you know what happened? And we don't officially have it figured out yet, but the problem was with Facebook on an Apple iPhone.
How many times have I told you guys to come to Android? How many times? Android is the better way of life.
But do you know how many people we have on our plan and how many years we've been on this? So anyways, we are on Ellen's phone today because my Facebook app automatically updated and you can't roll back.
Again,
Whatever. Okay, great. We're not here to talk about that today, but welcome. So we have some things that we want to offer for you for sale, and they're pretty much going to be one-offs. Like we're not getting any more.
These are one-offs. Some couple stuff that we had received from ModaVation that we've gone through everything, so we now know what's available, and some stuff that came in from our orders that we want to show you. So first thing, let's show Elizabeth Hartman. Because that was a group we've been waiting.
It was so beautiful to see it on the floor out at Moda.
Yeah, so this was literally on the floor being packaged while we were there in the warehouse. So that was really cool. This is Elizabeth Hartman's scenery. We have 20 bolts available. This is something that I've loved forever. She just moved to Moda Fabrics. She was with another group for her basically her whole career. So she's now a Moda designer. So we have a couple of her patterns. We have her fabric. So if you search scenery, you will find it. So just important to know.
And Ellen started her kit while we were there.
Yes.
I knew that I would never do it, so hence, which is why we have a kit available for you.
Exactly. So if you want to hold up the kit, nope. There we go. All right, so we have one kit available of Florence Flamingo from ModaVation. This is Elizabeth Hartman. Now let's tell you something really special about these kits, okay? This fabric is next year's fabric. This is her popcorn collection. It's her next group coming out that we can order if you like it. I've ordered a couple bolts for it, but we have one kit available of next year's fabric. Okay? And it will look like this. It's just so darling.
Are you going to work on this at retreat, or do you have other?
I'm going to work on it at shop retreat.
Oh, okay.
Not this weekend.
Okay. So yes, this would have been my kit, but I have decided, alas, I am not going to do that kind of piecing. So, Ellen, do you have prices on these? Or?
Yeah, they're all priced.
Okay.
And so there was one link that will show this multitude of stuff. And if you follow that link and you search again scenery, you'll find her current collection.
Okay, and just a real quick follow-up. As I was editing, and then Ellen's like, let's do our video now. So the little recap that we did from ModaVation will be up by the end of the day. That was last week. And I know, I'm sorry, you guys, there was other things taking precedent, but I will get it up. It is a free offering, so it will be free on MK Quilts University by the end of today. You will need an account to watch it, but it is free. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, what next, Ellen?
So one of the teachers that we had was Jen Kingwell. And she is all known for hand piecing. And so we have one of her kits available because, are you a hand piecer?
I did one way long time ago and decided never again.
I have one very small thing that I'm trying, but will probably be a one and only. So we have a Jen Kingwell kit available for you. So again, the specials about this is future fabric. This fabric is not out yet. We have two kits for Jen Kingwell, separate pieces. So there's a fabric bundle. This is her lolly jar half-yard bundle, and then a yard-ish of a stripe that goes with it. And then it comes with one of her tempters. And if you never heard of the Jen Kingwell tempters, they are orange acrylic pieces to cut more of, I guess you would say, more foundation-based kind of blocks, but she does everything with hand piecing. So the tempter, it isn't like a full pattern, it's a pattern for a block. And then the actual acrylic to make that block. You have to do your own math to figure out how many you want. But it's very lovely fabric.
And
we have one.
So we did some Jen Kingwell a couple of years ago. it's something that is very specific, this type of piecing and but she has a very big following. So
Yes.
you can search her online, social media and whatever. She's a delightful woman. She's from Australia, if you don't know. I didn't really know of her much before Becky was like, oh, let's do the Jen Kingwell stuff. So she did a little teaching at ModaVation, and the way that she teaches her hand piecing, it's really wonderful. I'm just not gonna do it.
Yeah. So the other Jen Kingwell kit we have is a tool kit. This is called Jen's Essentials, and it's basically everything you need to get started in hand piecing from it. So it has her basically favorite tools. So there is a sandpaper board. She used this for actually drawing the acrylic on the fabric, keep the fabric in place while you were drawing out your tablet shapes. There has 2 packs of hand sewing needles. She's got a pencil she likes to use. She's got grippies that you can put to your acrylics. And then she's got these 2 little postcard patterns with, again, more little acrylic. So a kind of just fun little tool set to get you started.
I really liked what she said about, a lot of people think it takes longer. And she said, I personally don't think it does, because I can take my projects wherever I go. And I can work on a plane or a train
I do like that idea.
So, like, she finishes things, like, physically, might it take longer? Maybe. She's pretty fast.
Got more places she can do it.
Yeah, she can't, like us, we can't take our sewing machine everywhere, So I got that. I got it.
So there's again, a 1 and a 1 for Jen Kingwell. They could go together, but they don't have to go together. So
okay,
be fast shoppers. Okay, that's gonna wait till next week. I didn't need to pull that one.
Okay.
Do you want to show your thing you made?
Yes. So again, this is future fabric and a future pattern, but this is a kit that I was like working on for basically 2.5 days while I was at ModaVation.
Go more that way.
I have one outer border to put on. This is from Kansas Troubles, and the pattern itself is called Cardinal Star. And we are going to order the patterns when they're available. Yep. And we are going to I'll do a class, because this is one of those quilts that's it's very foundational in the types of techniques that you're doing. So this actually would be a good quilt for a beginner. Yep. It looks very intricate, but it's 4 patches, it's half square triangles, and
then flip and sew.
Yeah. So it's really foundational in the techniques that you use in this quilt.
Yeah, and the more we looked at it as, again, that standard of a pattern of the design, this would be great in any fabric. You don't have to do Kansas Treble Darks. Think bright moderns like those that are behind us. It would be really cool.
This is my wheelhouse, but I realize it's not everyone's. Okay, so
but again, we both agreed the pattern was just really good.
Pattern is really awesome.
So we have a handful of other little things too that we got from ModaVation, things we learned. A couple were rulers. So let me pull these out. Because again, you can always use rulers, or you need a different size of a ruler you don't have. So we've got a 4x14 from OmniGrid, so that was given to us. We have a 1.5 by 12.5 from Quilters Select. A lot of people like their little sticky, grippy stuff. And then we have Doug Lico's Mini Simple Folded Corners tool. Now this is a tool I'd never used before, but it was recommended for the Elizabeth Hartman pattern, and I am sold. I'm like, I've been doing her stuff for years. How has this never been given to me before? I was just light bulbs.
Well, and since I wasn't working on that, I guess I didn't try that ruler. But if Ellen says it's good,
yeah, this one's yours. Wasn't yours?
Okay, it was my though.
But no, I ordered more because I'm like, this ruler is saving me so much time.
Ellen, can we mention the books? The books arrived.
The books arrive, but that's what I wanted to do as another thing.
Okay.
Because we need to plan it better. So what we're doing.
Hold that thought. We did mention it last week on the ModaVation recap.
Yep.
But there's a fun collection of projects that we want to roll out.
Yep. So it did arrive. If you know what it's called, you can search for it. But we're going to hold like another week and then talk about it, because it's going to be bigger and we need to know what we're doing.
Okay. And we're starting work on kind of redoing our Ruby Star, or is this kind of moving? We got plans, don't we?
We have plans, but what's currently happening with the Ruby Star is a custom pre-cut we are making. So we're just going to have to wait for that. That should hopefully be ready next week. And once it's ready, we're going to reveal our Ruby Star quilt.
Oh,
that we have.
Yes, the one that you did?
The one that Carol did. Carol made
The
it.
one that Carol, oh, right, that I quilted. Right. Lots has happened since then.
Yes.
Okay, is that like wrapping
There might be
up
a
from?
couple other little things. If you go through the link, it's just kind of stuff that we acquired from ModaVation.
Well, and we
yes.
we spoke to Zelda and another one of our teachers that does bag classes. And so all of that's going to be also rolled out later this year, working into next year. Can't believe I'm saying like next year. This year's almost half over already.
We have to plan stuff so
Yeah,
far.
so we're planning, but lots of fun stuff in the way of bag making is going to come. And I've already been encouraging my teachers that yes, with our help, we can do these classes online. So if you want to take bag classes from us, keep watch because we will definitely try that.
Yes.
Okay?
Yeah.
All right.
All right. I think that was it.
Okay, well that's it for
Today.
For today.
Anyway. Okay.
All right.
Good. I'm going to go around again.
Okay.
Iffy my phone and all.
All right. Ellen's going on retreat later in the week. You're leaving tomorrow, right, Ellen?
I leave tomorrow.
Oh my gosh.
Look, Patty agrees. Android is much better. Thank you, Patty.
Well, you know, Paul did say that he would be open to just getting an Android for doing this kind of thing. So.
Yes. Okay.
All right.
Close this
From the shop to you. Happy quilting, everybody. Bye-bye.